Hello everyone, we will speaking today about TomatoPHP and how we can install it on new Laravel 11 version on macOS. So before we start, we need some checks. So let's go into our terminal and then please make sure you have PHP more than 8.1 and Node.js over 18, and that's all. You need to have a composer installed, composer v2, because we will install Laravel 11. So you need to have Laravel 11 installed on your in your OS, or just use composer create project to create a new Laravel project. So let's start by creating a new Laravel project. Laravel new tomato, no starter kit, and we will using test and no. Okay, we will using MySQL. Yes. Okay, let's open it on the editor. I'm highly recommended PHP Storm for editing. It's very perfect for PHP projects. So let's go. Now let's add .env, changing the password and make it HTTPS, and we will, yeah, it's okay now. PHP artisan config cache. So let's link it here, link here, secure. If you are using Vault or something other for serving or this stuff, you must use your commands. If you are using Vault, you can use Vault link both secure like here. If you are using here, you can using here link, here secure. So let's open it now. Let's migrate first. It's fine. So let's go to tomato.test. Tomato.test. So it's working. We have Laravel 11 installed on our Mac OS. So to install TomatoPHP, we will going to docs and open install and using this command here. So after that, we will using this command. We will using no, and then we will using yarn, and then yarn build. Then let's finish. We can open a new tab and publish this one here and make a migration and registers modules on our composer.json like this, and using autoload composer dump autoload. It's fine. So let's go back here and using yarn build. And now everything is working fine. So let's refresh. We have tomato here. If you are click here, we can find the login screen. So we need to register. Let's register a new and I'll agree and register. Now it's working very fine. You can check your profile. You can update your profile. It's working fine. So you can using the light and dark mode. You can create a new plugin. Let's create a new one. We will name this plugin something like customers. We will we use it to build a customers manager app, and we will using something like user and any color what we want, and we will press save. Now we have our plugin ready. So let's build some very easy and simple project here. Inside the module, we will find customers, and inside it, we will find database. Let's create PHP artisan module make migration. We will create customers table. Sorry, we need to add customers. And here we go. We will find migration, and the migration here. We can working with this way, or we can remove it. And going inside table, we will find create table, and we will create customers table, and we add name and email and phone, something like password. And address. Let's change and add timestamps. Here we will have a text field, okay, and can be nullable. Password can be nullable. Here can be nullable. It will be index and unique, and for sure, sorry, here, for sure, okay. And we have here name can be indexed, and for sure cannot be nullable, and it's fine. So we will save here. We have a ready table. We can click generate and generate migration. If we going back to the migration, we will find a generated migration for our table. Now we can start migrate it. If we doing a refresh, it's migrated. So let's generate accurate for this. Okay, table not found. Let's migrate it again. Okay, we click generate migration, not run migration. So now we have it migrated. So let's generate, sorry, it's a controller. It's okay. We can regenerate a full CRUD. It's well loading now. Okay, we have our customers here. We can fill it, edit it. Delete it. We can using a bulk delete if we like. So let's add some customers. On this easy way, we have a full CRUD operation for our customers, and we can customize this one. We don't add one line of code. It's codeless, so you can use here, select all, and then delete, or you can export or any stuff you want. So you can customize your menu here from the provider. You will find your menu registered here. We can add it to any group we want. We can change this to users or just user. We can make it solid. So it will be looks like that. So that's it. You can do a lot of changes on the customer. If you're going to resources here, you will find customers and it will have all views. You can change anything you want. So as you see, you have here auto-generated cells for email and phone using admin rule was still an email. So you will find it like this. You can remove this if you don't want to change on the table. On the view, okay, it's not working. So maybe you have a problem. Yeah, on the show. Yeah, there's a problem here. It's a view and we got an input. So that's it. Let's remove the passwords. And now let's view. It's working very fine. We can edit again. We can go to edit and delete. It's working fine. So that's it for today. Now we have a working Tomato PHP admin. Thank you very much.